In this video, we will learn how we can remove the background of any image in Canva. So to be able to use the Canva background removal feature, you should have Canva Pro. Once you have Canva Pro, just select any image. Let's say I'm selecting this car. And after selecting, click on Edit Photo. Once you click on Edit Photo, click on this BG Remover. Just click on that and it's done. And in the same post you can remove background of multiple images. Like let's say I'm searching plant, so here's the plant, a pot. Click on edit photo, remove background, and it's done. So this way guys, you can remove background in Canva. If you really like this video, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon. You can check our playlist for more such tutorials. Thank you.